What up mga solid subscribers, no? So papanood nyo guys itong Bini Performs Oxygen at Coke Studio concert, no? So a very big shoutout po kay RR26 Adventures, no? Kanya po itong video to, no? So tara, let's watch this. Itim na buhok ni Mika? Oh, bait naman ni Aya. Siya pa yung nagtanggal.
The orchestra of the Filipino youth to perform with the nation's girl group, Bini!
Bagay na bagay talaga kay Sheena yung ganyang buhok. Guys, for me yan yung for me fit kay Sheena, yung ganyang short hair. Mas strip ko sa kanya yung ganyan. Si Gwen, nakuha na niya yung buhok eh. Kung anong bagay sa kanya, yung angas nga eh. Let's go! Ay! Napakagandang dilag naman talaga. Ay, anong nangyari kay Sheena? Parang nagka-wardrobe. Parang meron siya inaano sa ano niya, oh. Okay na yata. Hehehe. Boom, let's go! Damn, may kita mo inte. Uy, grabe ka Sheena! Grabe yung mamaw gumalaw ni Sheena, nakakabatay. Damn, solid ang Bini. Okay, dito nakikita natin yung likod na. Kasi usually nakikita natin yung front view syempre na. I think, ay, hindi mo pala tapos.
Ang taas ng energy! This year's Coke Studio, live at the Big Dome, is extra iconic! Once again, Bini! Loud! Alamat! MRLD!
Ay, may ibang P-pop group na kasama nga pala rito. May mga artists, mga Nations Ace Colette Vergara. Nakalagay din sa taas. Alamat. Ciao. You know, Coke kayo dyan.
And Dianella! Coke Studio mag-ingay!
Ang cute ni Joe.
Maraming salamat po for showing up and showing your love to all of our artists! And if you want to listen to Coke Studio live at the Big Dome, late tonight, including the new collab tracks, just scan the QR code on the screen for Spotify and YouTube.
Ayan, sa kabila. Anong grupo
Don't
yun?
forget to scan the QR code on your screen. Your favorite artists are here. Everybody! Okay. And right now, we would like to invite the
Si ano pala yan, oh, si...
team on stage
Ito.
for a quick photo
Dionella.
with all the
Dionella.
artists of Coke Studio Season 9. Let's go, Coca-Cola team, on stage right now.
Once again, Araneta, mag-ingay para sa Bini! Wow! Alamat! FRLD! Over October! Ella Lori! Alex Bruce! Dianella! And the orchestra of the Filipino youth!
Okay. Everybody gather around the center of the stage. Let's take that photo.
Ang cute makipag-interaction ni Joe na kita na.
Take that photo, everybody.
Doon tayo, sabi
Come
ni
on,
Joe.
our artists! Squeeze in! Squeeze in!
Squeeze in. I'll be on the.
And everyone here, take out your phones! This is a picture you would want to take!
Ben ba to? Ay, hindi.
All our artists, the orchestra, find your light, people!
Oh, orchestra.
Your lights.
I think that's it.
Studio.
Photo ops.
Studios.
Season 9 artists!
Hey, madam.
The OG is made possible, and Jollibee. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat to all our artists. Come on.
And my name is Jonathan Bingo!
I think that's it, guys. No? So, ayun. Bini is Bini kasi, guys. No? Kahit anong magawin mo, guys, no? Hindi na matitibag yan, guys. No? Sa OPM music, sa P-pop music, sa P-pop world, guys. Hindi na matitibag po yan, guys. No? Yan, solid performance as in, enjoy as in yung kanilang stage presence, nandun na po talaga, guys, no? So, ayan, yun ang mga comment natin, yung dancing ability, guys, nandun na eh. Hindi mo na matatawaran po talaga, guys, pagdating sa mga dance performance, mga ganyan, mga ano, kaya-kaya ng Bini po talaga yan, guys, no? So, ayun, guys, no? Maraming salamat sa panonood natin video, no? So, this point to pin, signing out, peace, let's go!